The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Your phone ain't like, do yourself today and just go feed. Like your phone ain't like and just go feed,
Alright, my people, Dancehall skilla there again, Yeah, big up and respect to each and everyone. Just some things more to talk to you about and to let you know about certain things. You see me I say? Alright, so I got information that a motorcyclist crashed a motorcycle in a building that is located somewhere within the country that is known as Jamaica. Now, I do not know when that incident happened, viewers and subscribers. See? And there are allegations that the motorcyclist might have crashed into the building because he was either riding recklessly or was doing some form of stunt. Viewers and subscribers, those are unconfirmed information. You understand? It's not really clear how or what could have caused for the motorcyclist to crash into the building. You see me? It is said that glass on the building mashed or destroyed. You see me? I say, my people. Anyways, I see more than one video circulating on social media about that incident. I just presented one of those pieces of videos to you, and I'm going to present another video that shows some of the things that happened after the motorcyclist crashed into the building, or the motorcycle crashed in the building. All right. Some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Take a look, listen, and observe. That look bad, my people. You see that? That look a weird right there, so look on it. Look there.
Boy, you have to pay wax some holy for money, bro.
Well, viewers and subscribers, it is said that the motorcyclist is still alive. Right? It is said that the motorcyclist is alive, and I didn't get any form of information about anyone who got injured. You see me? I'm not saying that no one didn't get injured. You see me? About me not getting information about any injuries. You understand? And in my point of view, I think that the motorcyclist might be in some form of trouble for the damage to that building. Might be. I'm not sure, because I only work with confirmed information. Anyways, on another news now, viewers and subscribers, I got information that a man had been shot and killed by the police within the country of Jamaica at a place that is known as Tivoli Gardens, that's in Kingston, Jamaica. Right? So according to information that I got, it is said that the incident happened on the 10th of January the year 2022. And I also got information that residents within Tivoli Gardens mounted roadblocks after the incident happened. It is said that the incident angered residents to the point where residents within Tivoli Gardens mounted roadblocks. You see me? Now, according to some more information that I got, and according to some things that I read in a news article, it is said that the man who had been shot and killed by the police within the country of Jamaica goes by the last name of Harriet. It is said that he's a 21-year-old. And according to a news article that I read, it is said that the police gave report that the man had been shot and killed during an alleged confrontation with the police within the country of Jamaica. Now, I also saw more than one piece of videos circulating on social media about the incident. And what I'm going to do for you to get a better understanding about the situation, I'm going to present one of those pieces of videos to you so that you might have a better understanding about this whole situation for your subscribers. All right. Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think. I also saw a video that shows when the police was carrying out the body of the man who had been shot and killed. I also got information that the police gave report, or the police claim to have found a gun that was on the body of the deceased. Alright, my people, so I'm going to left that right there, so, and I'm going to move on to another topic. So, viewers and subscribers, I got information that a well-known actor and comedian who goes by the name of Bob Saget had died. Yes, I got confirmed information that the actor and comedian who can be seen in a comedy sitcom that is known as Full House had died. It is said that his body was found at a hotel room on Sunday, the 9th of January, the year 2022. Yeah, it is said that Bob Saget's body was found in a hotel room on Sunday at the Ritz-Carlton Orlando Grand Lakes. That's located within the United States of America. I say, my people. Now, my people, I don't know how much of you know Bob Saget. Yes, I say Bob Saget is an actor where can be seen, you know, from sitcoms to even, we call it America's Funniest Home Video, I think. Yeah, I think so. Yes, I say. It is said that the authorities within the United States of America are doing their investigation to determine the cause of his death, and it is said that he was 65-year-old at the time of his death. All right. Anyways, my people, I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I got information that 3 men had been shot and killed at a place that is known as Providence Heights. That's within the parish of St. James. That's within the country that is known as Jamaica. According to more information that I got, it is said that the incident happened on the 10th of January, the year 2022. And it is said that those 3 men were traveling in a Nissan AD wagon that operates as a taxi within St. Andrew, Jamaica. See? Now, according to other information that I got, it is said that those 3 men who were traveling in the Nissan AD wagon met up with other persons who were traveling in another motor vehicle. And it is said that sometime after 9 p.m. on that same night, that's the 10th of January, the year 2022, residents heard explosions, and sometime after that, those 3 men's bodies was found with gunshot wounds. It is said that the police was alerted about the whole situation, and it is said that those 3 men were taken to a hospital where they were pronounced dead. See? Now, viewers and subscribers, obviously, it is said that the police are doing their investigation when it comes down to that whole situation, the people. So I'm just making know about that, and I'm going to move on to another topic. So I read in a news article where it is said that Kevin Smith's body had been cremated, now viewers and subscribers. Yeah, Kevin Smith, the person who was somewhat involved in some form of cult ritual thing that happened at a church in St. James, Jamaica, sometime within the year 2021. Yeah, I got information that his body had been cremated. See, if any of you don't have any information, or if you don't know about the incident that involves Kevin Smith, well, it's actually more than one incident, because he was involved in this whole thing where them said that is some form of cult ritual thing happened at a church in St. James, Jamaica. So I'm going to leave a link at the end of this video for that. Yes, I'm going to leave a link at the end of this video for that. And it is also reported that he died as a result of a car crash. I'm also going to leave a link at the end of this video for that as well. You understand? Yeah, so according to the news article, I got the understanding that Kevin Smith's body had been cremated. Yeah, the news article gave that information. And to my understanding is like his body had been cremated privately by the family of Kevin Smith. You see me? With all of the controversy where surround Kevin Smith. You see me? And so on, for his family to want to do something like that so private, I think I can understand. You understand, my people? Yeah, man, because in my point of view, Kevin Smith made the biggest news for the whole 2021. Yeah, I saw me look on it, my people, you see it. So me just make you know that information they will make it. You see it? If me have any more details about that whole situation, I think I'm just going to leave a comment or comments in the comment section of this video to let you know what I know, if I get any more info, alright? Alright, now my people, I'm going to present a video to you. In this video, a person said some things that gave me the understanding that he pointed out penalties that you might have to face if you're working for a security company as a security guard and get caught sleeping on the job. Viewers and subscribers, tell me what you think about the things that this person said. Listen and observe.
I'll show you something real quick and fast. Show you people wicked to them one another, especially black people. You know what I'm saying? I just about my work with a security company. And the supervisor, you know, the location supervisor go sleep for the whole night. You see me? And when him done, he get up, say him a patrol. I come catch you, I get a nap and charge you for sleep. See it? I remember, see, I sleep, and just don't sleep, you know, just wake up and say my patrol and come charge you for sleep. And the wickedest thing about it, company them a charge you, what? 3 days pay, because they catch you asleep. You see me? Yeah man, enough of them supervisors are wicked them. They are base asleep all night. And wait down in the morning now, then come, say them a do patrol. And catch man, get a little nap.
Yeah, listen.
And say, yo, them a carry you go a base. When you go a base, them charge you 3 days. And plus somebody might suspend you on top of it. Yeah man, so we wicked to one another. Yeah that. Yeah man.
But people, me I wonder if the things that the person said in that video is about something that really happened. Yes, I say no, me I wonder. Although I know say situation like that similarly might have happened before. Well, most likely. I mean, you know, yeah, but you know, just can't help for wonder if him actually talk about a situation where him know what happened for sure. You know what I mean? Yeah, my people, me tell you something, man. Nothing beats than having a job, but you see some jobs, may I tell you my people, you're rough. You're rough. Anyways, before me leave, me I make you know say I saw a video that shows when Bounty Killer and Joshi was shooting a music video for a song that they did together. Yeah, the collaboration with them though. Yeah, me see a music video that shows when Bounty Killer and Joshi do a music video. So me I say my people and a real, it mad. It mad. You see me I say? Yeah man, it mad. You know, I be a cutlass, me see people around there with the machete. I say, but wait, that's this. You see it? Anyways, I also I'm gonna big up and respect. So until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself, you see it.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.